Greetings, massive. Hey. Wagwan, Jamaica.
I think Patois is beautiful, man. It's crazy how many phrases we've adopted into sort of the London English slang, you know, like wagwan, big man ting, those sorts of things, you know. We've got a lot.
Bro, there's loads.
There's so much.
Even like things like, you know, you might say, oh, wagwan family. Well, you know, you got people who be like fam.
Even fam, the man them.
The man, right.
Yeah.
Right, there's so many.
Even like saying like bumbleclart.
Exactly.
Bumbleclart's everywhere now.
Yeah, bro,
my favourite words.
It's funny, bumbleclart, rascalart, pussyclart, all of it, yeah? Idiot, yeah, fool, yeah, you know how it goes, bro. You Jamaican? He is, bro. He's quarter Jamaican, you know.
You don't know.
Go.
Irie, everything gonna be Irie. Big one thing.
Google search will tell you that you can actually study Jamaican Patois at Harvard University. Yeah, you think I'm lying? Individualized study of Jamaican Patois at elementary, intermediate, and advanced levels. Who do you speak to? A language coach. Yeah. Which is a shame because when I visit Jamaica.com, we start off strong with saying Jamaican Patois, our language. But then when you read further along, it says it's a colorful, descriptive, and emphatic Creole dialect. A language is a language. I need the Jamaican government and Jamaican society to also acknowledge that Jamaican Patois is a language. People are studying it. Linguistics are studying it. And yes, it's shaped by African, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and English colonial heritage, similar to how other languages are derivatives of other languages. So why aren't we recognizing our own language? I'm gonna tell you why. It's called racism. It's called racism, babe. That's what it's called. And I will not be explaining that any further.
There are 3 different types of Jamaican Patois. You got emerald, gold, and platinum. And I'm gonna give you an example of all 3.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to this channel once again. Thank you very much for the love you keep showing us, for tuning in, for subscribing and supporting us. Subscribing to our channel goes a long way and we really appreciate it. So guys, why is it that people all over the world are speaking Jamaican Patois, but some still say it's just a dialect? From London slang to TikTok trends, from dancehall lyrics to Hollywood films, Jamaican Patois is everywhere. So today we are asking the real question: is Patois just slang, or is it actually a full language with global power? So guys, I have a compilation of videos. You will see how people are in love with Patois. Watch until the end and then I'll be back with more reaction. As you watch, please make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Wagwan massive. Me I got try to do this video in a Patois, okay? So Wagwan, my name Wes. Me come from Long Island, New York, and me did take Patois wrong at Harvard. So uno never know say Harvard have Patois class. But yes, them have Patois class. Me did take it in my senior year. And me take it because me just want to take little class, easy class for me, because me come from a Jamaican family. Our family we come from Kingston, St. Elizabeth, St. Catherine, St. Thomas. I me did want to connect with my root them because me never grew up speaking Patois. And so, yeah, me just want to take the class, me just want to learn my culture, my history, and me love it. Me did study anthropology and African American studies. So yeah, it was a perfect class for me to take, to learn for my history, for my people, for my culture. And yeah, me love it. Me love Jamaica. Jamaican TikTok, I am begging you, do not chop me for my accent. This is my regular speaking voice. I only took the class one time, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, big up.
So the Jamaicans said I'm not saying their accent right. You know, they love patois stuff. So I'm about to learn it, y'all. I got my iPad. We about to learn some Jamaican sentences. You heard me? Let's go.
I am learning to speak Jamaican Patois. Me a learn for talk Jamaican Patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican Patois.
Jamaican Patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican
Me a
Patois.
learn for talk Jamaican Patois.
Me a learn for talk Jamaican Patois.
The girl is eating her food. The gal a nyam her food.
The girl a name her food.
The gal a nyam her food.
The girl a name her food.
The gal a nyam her food.
The girl a name her food.
The place is a mess. The place chaka chaka.
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 The place is chaka chaka.
My foot hurts. I think it's sprained. Me foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's
Me
sprained.
foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's
Me
sprained.
foot a hot me. I think it's sprained.
Me foot a hot me. I think it's
The
sprained.
glass fell and it broke. The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall down and it broke.
The glass fall and it broke.
We have to go. Where are they? We have to go. Where them they?
We have to go. Where in they?
We have to go. Where them they?
We have to go where them hey.
We have to go. Where them they?
We have to go where them they.
Let's go. Make we go. Or may we go.
May we go,
Make we go. May we go.
make we go, may he go,
Make we go.
Mexico, Mexico.
What time should I be there? Or what time if it dead?
What time maybe did it? What time maybe did it?
One of the things I like about being Jamaican, when it come to Patois, a lot of the shit you say in Patois, it's no one-to-one translation. You know how many people, like when bomba class, when that word started trending, people would be like, what does it mean, bro? What is bomba clot? Like, does it mean fuck? There's no translation. Bomba clot is just bomba clot. But you can't be sensitive in Jamaican. Those don't go hand in hand. Your nickname, if you're Jamaican, will be based off of your biggest insecurity. That's just how it goes. When I was little, I used to cry about everything. I'm not gonna lie, I was a crybaby. Guess what my auntie called me? Kryler. That's not crazy, bro. And don't even get me started on food. Jamaicans will make you feel bad about enjoying a meal. Imagine I had a full plate of curry goat. That's my favorite. Curry goat or jerk pork is my favorite Jamaican food. Imagine I had a full plate of that in front of me and I'm eating at an above average pace. The first thing I'm gonna hear,
wait there, watch Tyler. Rotted, you just have nyam off the food, so. Him just a wax it off, yeah?
watch, am I gonna eat the plate next? Don't forget to breathe, brother. The food not gonna left your plate, you know. Like, I can't even enjoy my favorite meal no more, bro.
So for my last video, I was talking about how difficult Patois can be to understand. Today, I'm back with another video. I'm gonna play a video of someone speaking Patois, and I'll see if I understand what they're saying.
She'll watch me clock in, she'll watch me clock out.
She'll watching me clock in, she'll watching me clock out. She watched me clock in and she watched me clock out. It does have the subtitles in the video, but I'm just looking at y'all so I don't read what they're saying. Alright, next bit.
Something like she want to get that information so she can inform.
What? I have to...
Something like she want to get that information so she can inform.
It's like she want to get information so she can inform. Was I right? Hold on, let me go back.
She can inform. Something like she want to get it.
It's like she wants to gather information so she can snitch. Come on. Alright, next line.
So she can inform. She need to stop mind my business and mind fear one of business.
She needs to stop minding my business and mind she own business. Yo.
Hold on, Sandra, why you come sit outside of me now? And you know say me a chat on the phone.
Sandra, why you came and sat next to me now? You see that I'm on the phone. You have no manners. I swear to God, right hand on the Bible, I did not read those subtitles. I found another video without subtitles though.
Me no walk hide about where me from. Everybody know me come from the blood clot ghetto.
Something about that whole first part did lose me, I'm not gonna lie. But I know she's from the blood clot ghetto. Let's continue.
I get the rat. Me the old girl.
She's
everybody know that. So me know where come about. Me no walk hide about where me from.
Yeah, everybody know that she's a hood gal. You feel me? So in the comments, to blow my mind even more, people were saying depending on where in Jamaica you're from, you have a different accent. So of course I had to do my research because what? Apparently people who are from St. Elizabeth, they dragging y'all. They're saying that y'all patois is different. But let me continue. Alright.
Now me come from St. Elizabeth and people say St. Elizabeth people have the worst part I mean no say nothing no go so.
She says, I'm from St. Elizabeth and people tend to say that people from St. Elizabeth has the worst accent. Well, she's from where?
The worst part I mean no say nothing no go so because me
in North no something no go so.
Come on, be and hear them and say, where did we say you want to go? What the is that? Where did say you?
She would hear people say, where did they say you want to go? Which is like, you know, how you say, like, where do you want to go? But, like, they say it weird, apparently. And she'd be like, what the fuck is that?
Where you want to go? Jesus Christ. Anyways, me make my frosted flakes.
Anyway, she
cereal.
cereal.
I use vanilla lasco. No, me not use box milk. Me use vanilla.
Tell them about why y'all gonna ask her why she use box milk. Listen, I'm fluent.
It's good with everything, so yeah.
I'm here. Like I said in my last video, I've made it. Okay? And those videos are the levels that I can comprehend. I couldn't find any other videos. I'm sure that there's somebody out there whose patois I just probably would not be able to make out. And tell me how I did. And shit, you can't kill my pride. I feel good and accomplished. Thank you guys for watching. Anyway, from your favorite Haitian homegirl.
There are 3 different types of Jamaican patois. You got emerald, gold, and platinum. And I'm gonna give you an example of all 3. Auntie Paulette, it don't smell right. It smells stink. You do it up yourself, Auntie Paulette, you smell bad. Emerald level is really easy. 90% of the world understood what I just said. Blouse and skirt, man. Paulette, how you think some man, Paulette, it frowns, it's a blood clot. You think, I watch a big sour dirty blood clot, man. I move on. Gold level is a little bit more challenging, but I'll probably say maybe about 50 to 60% of non-Jamaicans understood what I just said. Man, I think what Paulette, you think the blood clot, think that blood clot drunk. Move on, go, you think that blood clot, think you put vinegar, girl, At platinum level, only about 3.5% of non-Jamaicans are going to understand what I just said. I didn't even understand what I just said, to be honest. However, once you unlock all 3 levels, something amazing happens. You unlock a 4th level known as Super Saiyan Patois. At Super Saiyan level, you're speaking at the speed of light. You're speaking in a different time zone. You're speaking in cursive. Only dolphins and Bajans understand this level. Nobody. I'm somewhere in between an emerald level and a gold level. What level are you? What level do you understand? And what level do you speak?
So, I love a Jamaican accent. Like, I love patois. And I was thinking, like, let me say a few words. And if you're Jamaican, let me know I did. Okay. I'm from South Africa, by the way, so I feel like I can get the, like, you know, rolling of the tongue, kind of. Anyway. Bambaklat. This real Jamaican food. Real Jamaican. Me figo. Me want curry goats. Curry goats. Real Jamaican food. Me I go get Jamaican food. Me I go. Yeah, man. Me I have a Jamaican accent. I don't know. I just love it. It just sounds so Jamaican. Jamaican. Curry goats. Me I fi go.
Welcome back. So let's talk about it. Patois is a language. It's not broken English. First things first. Jamaican patois has its own sentence structure, its own grammar, its own pronunciation rules, and yes, it has a written form. It's even studied at universities like Harvard. So, how is that just a dialect? Every major language evolved from something else. Spanish came from Latin, French came from Latin. English is a mix of Germanic and French roots. But when it comes to patois, suddenly people say it's not real. Let's be honest. Is it about language or perception? You can tell me in the comments. Do you consider patois a language? The global influence of Patois is crazy. London slang, heavy Jamaican impact. Words like mandem, ting, wagwan, youth, these are normal in UK street culture now, and it didn't stop there. Reggae, dancehall, Afrobeat collaborations, Hollywood films, TikTok audio trends, YouTube memes. Jamaican Patois went global without permission, and that's power. Now, here is where it gets deeper. Jamaican Patois developed in the 17th and 18th centuries. Enslaved Africans from different tribes were brought to Jamaica. They spoke different African languages. So what happened? They blended English vocabulary, African grammar, African rhythm, African pronunciation, and created something new. It was not bad English. No, it was survival. It was resistance. It was communication they could use among themselves. Sometimes even to keep conversations private from slave owners. That's not broken. It's brilliance. That's what I call it. When you really listen to Patois, you hear West Africa. Words and rhythms connect to languages from Nigeria, Ghana, other parts of West Africa. Jamaica may be small, but the ancestry is vast. Patois carries memory, it carries history, it carries identity. The video talked about levels of Patois. Emerald level, you understand basic phrases. Gold level, you can hold a conversation. Platinum level, you speak it fluently and naturally. And then Super Saiyan Patois level, the fast, deep countryside flow that even Jamaicans rewind twice. Just be honest, what level are you? Drop your level in the comments. So why is this still debated? Here is the interesting part. The world is embracing Patois, but some people still question its legitimacy. Is it because of colonial history? Or is it because of stigma? Or maybe is it because it challenges tradition? Or maybe is it because it challenges traditional language standards? At the end of the day, guys, Jamaican Patois has structure, history, global influence, academic recognition, cultural power. So whether you call it a language or a dialect, one thing is clear. It's not going anywhere apart from going global. Tell me your thoughts below. Is Patois a full language? Should it be officially recognized everywhere? Like, share, and subscribe for more conversations like this. And remember, language is more than words, it's identity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.